it's going to be like a ventriloquist dummy kind of makeup look. So I'm gonna go in, I've already like primed my eyes with concealer. So I'm gonna go in with sandalwood right here and just buff that lightly, very, very lightly into my crease. And then right next to it, henna. I'm gonna buff that a little lower. I'm gonna go in with this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. I could not remember what it was. And I'm just going to line not only my waterline, but go further down also.
Oh, scared.
Now I'm going to line my eyes, my upper lash line. Not too big, you want a tiny wing. That's a pretty tiny wing. I used the e.l.f. Intense Ink eyeliner. I'm gonna go in with that black eyeliner and line underneath to create the illusion of a new lash line. And I'm going to connect it to that upper wing. Now I'm going to fill in my eyebrow with the same eyeliner. Okay, I don't know how well this is gonna cut up in the final product or whatever, but this is probably gonna be like some random place after I finished doing this eye. So I just finished doing this eye, the exact same thing, putting sandalwood in my crease and then henna a little bit below that, doing my top eyeliner, smudging the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk on my bottom lower lash line, and bringing it down further, and then taking that same black liner that I used to line my top lid and underlining that to make it look like I have bigger eyes and new eyelid thingy mabobby blah blah blah. And then I put on mascara because I can't find my other lash. I can find the one, but I can't find the other, and I have no idea where it went. So that is where we're at right now. And if you're wondering what I did for the cheeks, I went into Flamingo on a blush brush and just like really packed it on. Let's put a little on the nose because why not? I'm not going with this dark gray actually, because this is just, there we go. Now it's showing up. You want to make sure you get the corner of your mouth down, that way it looks like it's controlling your mouth. And I'm just gonna smudge that just a little bit inwards to make it look like, you know, it's been shaded. Because I try to do like the whole like swoop thing. No. Wow, this eyeshadow is hella patchy. This is a good, simple, easy beginner makeup look for people like me. Okay, people who are not Nikki tutorials, people who are not made you look, people who are not like a Yuki, people who do not really have talent yet. So that is all that I have for this video. If you liked it, then good for you. And I will see you in my next one, aka tomorrow, for day 4. No. 3. No. Day 3.